Here is Six Flags app. This is like official app for entertainment park, which is located, yeah, I guess in Texas. So it's quite convenient. And yeah, like of course, this is like the huge network for all Six Flags parks in North America. You can see all of them here. Um, yeah, and then yeah, if you're visiting this kind of parks, especially during summer, spring, autumn, like yeah, it's pretty cool, um, and it's very convenient. You can enable location services, then you can just instantly discover which park is near you, and then yeah, of course, you can just see that. What you can do, you can buy tickets in the app, you can book rides, see shows, available dining location, view your photos, events, and then you can just see the map. You can see, you can get a Six Flags pass. You can search for different things here. Um, then there is your menu. You can just live chat. Again, buy tickets, park hours, ride shows, events, settings. So yeah, that's basically what you can do here in the app. Just discover it and see basically how it works. It's just much easier to use with the app. And also quite often when you're using some brand and buying some things or visiting some parks, it's just recommended to try app because in apps you often have some deals and discounts which are only available inside of the apps.